Good day everyone, I am Decadent John Walter Villareza, and for today I'm going to show you the presentation on how to handle the marine sextant, the parts of the sextant, and the correctable errors of the sextant. These are the parts of the marine sextant. First is the telescope, the eyepiece, the index mirror, the shades for the index mirror, the horizon mirror, the shades for the horizon mirror, the frame, the index arm, the graduated arc, the limb, the micrometer drum, the micrometer head, and the clamp, and lastly, the handle. Step by step in how to handle a sextant. First is to open the box, right way up, then grasp the instrument by the frame as far as possible in your left hand and lift it out of the box. Next is take the handle in your right hand and seat yourself comfortably and firmly in a suitable position to take your sight. Next is set the instrument to 0 and look towards the horizon to check the index error. Next is drop the shade or over the index mirror and aim to the telescope of the sun. It is important that the sextant is exactly vertical when measuring an altitude. There are three types of adjustable errors, and these are the perpendicularity error, the side error, and the index error. The perpendicularity error is when the index mirror is not perpendicular to the plane of the instrument. To correct the error, bring the index bar to the middle of the arc, and then hold the sextant horizontally away and look up the index mirror. The arc must be in a single line, if not, then adjust the screw on the box of the index mirror. Next is the side error. It is when the horizon is not perpendicular to the plane of the instrument. To correct that, you just need to adjust the screw found on the side of the horizon mirror. Here. And lastly is the index error. It is when the index mirror and the horizon are not parallel to each other when the instrument is set to 0 degrees. To correct that, you just need to adjust the screw found on the top of the horizon mirror.